Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to Chubby Baby's Kitchen. My name is Amaka, your infant nutritionist and your infant healthy weight gain expert. Today, I want to share a story with you all. As I have worked with numerous families, I have seen a whole lot of parents struggle to find the right balance for their child's growth. I've been there, so I literally know how it feels. Recently, I met this particular family. They were newly married and have just one child. Now, this child was struggling to gain weight and the parents were worried. Someone introduced me to them and they reached out to me asking if I could help. And of course, that is my area of specialization and that is the area I love to come in. So I began to work closely with them by providing them with customized recipe and some recipes that were calorie rich and nutrient dense. People of God, people of God, by the end of the second month, this child's weight improved tremendously. She literally moved from 5.2 kg to 7.6 kg in a space of 2 months. And I said to myself, of what need would it be to keep this recipe to myself without sharing it with the community of mothers that would need it? So this experience I had with this family lured me into sharing this recipe with you all. This recipe has been crafted out of love, and with just few ingredients, you can be able to make this from the comfort of your kitchen. So let's dive in and make this amazing recipe. Come with me. Our first ingredient for this recipe is potatoes, and here we have 2 tubers of potatoes. The first step to preparing these potatoes has already been taken care of, that is the washing of the potatoes. I have already done that off the camera. Now let's move on to the peeling. Take your time and carefully remove the outer layer, revealing the tender flesh inside. Hey Chopstars, once more I welcome you back to our cooking channel. If you're new here, we are super happy to have you join our cooking family, and if you have been with us before, thank you so much for always coming back. Right now, as we are peeling our sweet potatoes, please take a quick break with us and subscribe for more yummy recipes. Hit that notification bell to stay updated. Let's get cooking together. Your support means everything to us and we do not take it for granted. We love sharing recipes and cooking tips with you, so stay tuned for more deliciousness. Now carefully chop the sweet potatoes into tiny bits with your knife, perfect enough for cooking. Make sure the pieces are small and uniform for smooth blending. Now that the sweet potatoes are chopped, transfer them into a clean bowl and get them ready for washing. You want to add enough clean water to the bowl to cover the chopped potatoes, then begin to rinse the chopped potatoes to remove any form of dirt or impurities. Repeat this process for about 2 to 3 times until the sweet potatoes are very clean. Then you can go ahead to drain the water completely. Do you know why you need sweet potatoes in your child's diet? Now listen up. The reason why you should always include potatoes in your child's diet is that they are very rich in vitamin A for healthy vision and immune function. They also support healthy weight gain and growth. Potatoes are also very easy to digest, so you do not have to worry about digestive issues. Then they contain potassium for muscle development and antioxidants for protection. Our next ingredient is the coconut. Go ahead and wash the coconut thoroughly and carefully break it open. Don't discard the coconut water. It is packed with benefit. Just transfer it straight into a cup and refrigerate or enjoy straight from the cup. For the coconut, we're going to be dividing it into two equal parts, and we'll be using one half of the coconut flesh. Store the remaining half in the fridge for later use, and then go ahead and cut the other half into tiny bits that will be perfect enough for blending. And you may want to ask, what are the benefits of the coconut water we poured into a cup and set aside for babies? Coconut water is very important because it helps babies to stay hydrated, it supports healthy growth, it helps with digestion. If your baby is having digestive problems, please think towards giving him or her some spoons of coconut water. Then it also helps to boost immunity, very gentle on the tummy, and promotes healthy skin. So next time you cut open a coconut, try to reserve the water for your babies. Once you're done chopping the coconut, scoop them out and transfer them into a bowl. Add sufficient water and rinse it out one more time before blending. This is to ensure that the coconut is free from dirt or impurities. You want to transfer the chopped coconut into your blender. Pour in half cup of water and set the coconut to blend. Please, if you do not have a blender, consider visiting a public mill to get it blended. But ensure that the mill is properly washed and it is clean before milling the coconut to avoid contaminating the milk. Because contaminating the milk will upset your baby's tummy and you do not want that for your baby. Keep blending on a high speed until the coconut milk is finely pureed. Next is to strain the coconut milk. You can either use a fine shifter like this, a cheesecloth or a muslin cloth. Pour the coconut milk into the shifter and gently press or squeeze to extract the milk. So for the solids, you can decide to dry it and add it to your swallow or use for baking. Transfer the chopped sweet potatoes to a pot, add water about half cup and cook until the potatoes are tender. There is no need for excess water as coconut milk will be added to the potato later, but for now, you just have to use water to simmer the potatoes a little bit before adding your coconut milk, okay? Our next ingredient is cashew nut, which is one of our key weight boosters. Now that the sweet potatoes are slightly tender, add the coconut milk and also add the roasted cashew nuts. Continue cooking until the potatoes are fully cooked, allowing them to absorb the coconut milk and infuse with the flavors of the cashew. Now that the coconut milk and cashew nuts have fully infused and the potatoes have absorbed most of the liquid, it is time to check if it is properly cooked, and you can do that by piercing a fork through a potato chunk, and if it slides in easily, it means that the potatoes is perfectly cooked. Partly cover the sweet potato and allow to cool down for at least 2 minutes. Moving on to the next layer of ingredients, it is time to crack in some protein, and we are using one hard-boiled egg. Transfer the ingredients into a blender, the potatoes, the cashew, the coconut milk and the egg into a blender, and then get ready with the last and final ingredients. Our last and final ingredient is the milk, and I'm using baby formula. Be free to use any milk of your choice according to your child's age. You can use full cream milk, breast milk, yogurt or any milk of your choice. Now blend everything on high speed until it is completely pureed. This meal is suitable for babies from ages 4 months and above. It is very rich in nutrients and it's going to make your baby very chubby within a short period of time. Refrigerate any leftover and let your baby consume it within 24 hours. Ta-da! Your nutrient-rich baby weight gain puree is ready. Transfer to a bowl and feed your baby with this super nutritious puree. Now, this puree is highly calorie dense. It helps to support weight gain. Please note that consistency is key. Noticeable weight gain results can be seen from just 2 weeks of consistent use. So that is it for this recipe. Will you be giving this delicious creamy potato puree a try? Do let me know in the comments below. Your feedback and experiences will help inspire new recipes. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. Before you go, don't just go like that though. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes. Hit the notification bell for updates. Like, comment, and share this video with your loved ones. A lot of people need this recipe. Please share it to those who need it. Let's spread the love for nutritious cooking. And until next time, when I come your way with another amazing recipe, remain blessed, happy cooking, and bye.